Hi, this is Kamya Johar, firstborn to my parents and elder sister to two siblings, an engineer turned digital marketer and an influencer. You are now listening to the transcript. After listening to the transcript, you have to answer certain questions in the comment section. You are now listening to the transcript. Rafting, an enthusiastic activity. Rafting or whitewater rafting is a challenging and recreational activity of using an inflatable raft to navigate a river or other bodies of water. This is usually done on white water or different degrees of rough waters for its thrill and excitement. The development of this activity as a leisure sport has become popular since the mid-1970s. Whitewater rafting can be a dangerous sport, especially if basic safety precautions are not observed. It has its share of injuries and fatalities. It is generally advisable to discuss safety measures with a rafting operator before signing on for a trip. The equipment used and the qualifications of the company and draft guides are essential information to be considered. But like most outdoor sports, rafting has become safer over the years. Expertise has increased and equipment has become more specialized and better in quality. Risks in rafting stem from both environmental dangers and improper behavior. Rafting is often played for the adrenaline rush, and this often becomes a problem for people and their own safety. Certain features on rivers are inherently unsafe and have remained consistently so despite the passage of time. This would include fallen trees, dams, rocks, and high waterfalls. Whitewater rafting accidents have occurred but are not common. Rafting with experienced guides is the safest way to avoid such features. Thousands of people safely enjoy raft trips every year. Rafting contributes to the economy of many regions, which in turn may contribute to the protection of rivers from hydroelectric power generation, diversion for irrigation, and other development. Additionally, whitewater rafting trips can promote environmentalism by experiencing first-hand and beauty of the river. Individuals who would otherwise be indifferent to environmental issues may gain a strong desire to protect and preserve that area because of their positive outdoor experience. You are now listening to the questions. Question number 1. Whitewater rafting can be a dangerous sport due to the dash and dash that occur in it. Option 1. Thrill, excitement. Option B. Accidents, mishaps. Option C. Collisions, deaths. Option D. Injuries, fatalities. Question number 2. Rafting has become dash due to the excitement, challenge, recreation and thrills that it offers. Option A. Popular. Option B. Difficult. Option C. A problem. Option D. Dangerous. You are now listening to question number 3. Accidents occur while rafting due to the environmental dash and dash behavior. Option A. Changes, ideal. Option B. Dangers, improper. Option C. Pollution, bad. Option D. Changes, strict. You are now listening to question number 4. Rafting contributes to the protection of rivers from activities such as dash. Option A. hydroelectric power generation. Option B, diversion for irrigation. Option C, other development. Option D, all of the above. You are now listening to question number 5. Since when has the sport of whitewater rafting become popular? You are now listening to question number 6. Which features are unsafe on rivers? Thank you for listening to the transcript. Now you have to answer the questions in the comment section. After 10 comments, I will write the answers in the description box. Till then, stay happy, stay peaceful, stay grateful.